Hello and welcome everyone. Getting a six-pack requires dedication and hard work, but you don't have to hit the gym 7 days a week or become a professional bodybuilder to do so. Instead, a few modifications to your diet and lifestyle can be enough to produce serious, long-lasting results. 1. Do more cardio. Cardio, also called aerobic exercise, is any form of exercise that increases your heart rate. Regularly incorporating cardio into your routine can help you burn extra fat and speed your way to a set of six-pack abs. Studies show that cardio is especially effective when it comes to reducing belly fat, which can help make your abdominal muscles more visible. Try to get in at least 20-40 minutes of moderate to vigorous activity per day, or between 150-300 minutes per week. Activities like running, walking, biking, swimming or engaging in your favorite sports are just a few easy ways to fit cardio into your day. 2. Exercise your abdominal muscles. The rectus abdominis is the long muscle that extends vertically along the length of your abdomen. Although most well known as the muscle that creates the appearance of the six-pack, it's also necessary for breathing, coughing and bowel movements. Other abdominal muscles include the internal and external obliques and the transverse abdominis. Exercising these muscles is key to increasing muscle mass and achieving six-pack abs. Abdominal crunches, bridges and planks are a few of the most popular exercises that can help strengthen your abdominal muscles and create the appearance of six-pack abs. 3. Increase your protein intake. Upping your intake of high-protein foods can help promote weight loss, fight belly fat, and support muscle growth on your road to six-pack abs. Consuming protein after working out can also help repair and rebuild muscle tissues, as well as aid in muscle recovery. Meat, poultry, eggs, seafood, dairy products, legumes, nuts and seeds are just a few examples of healthy, high-protein foods that you can add to your diet. 4. Try high-intensity interval training. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a form of exercise that involves alternating between intense bursts of activity and short recovery periods. HIIT keeps your heart rate up and increases fat burning. You can also try alternating between high-intensity exercises like jumping jacks, mountain climbers and burpees, with a short break in between. 5. Stay hydrated. Water is absolutely crucial to just about every aspect of health. It plays a role in everything from waste removal to temperature regulation. Staying well hydrated may also help bump up your metabolism, burn extra belly fat, and make it easier to get a set of six-pack abs. In fact, one study found that drinking 500 milliliters of water temporarily increased energy expenditure by 24% for up to 60 minutes after eating. 6. Stop eating processed food. Heavily processed foods like chips, cookies, crackers and convenience foods are typically high in calories, carbs, fat and sodium. Not only that, these foods are typically low in key nutrients such as fiber, protein, vitamins and minerals. Making a few simple switches in your daily routine can get you a set of six-pack abs and improve your health at the same time. Thank you.